Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your Windows computer. You can enjoy the game on a much larger screen, utilizing precise mouse and keyboard controls for a superior experience. There are two primary ways to achieve this: using the official Google Play Games beta platform or opting for a third-party Android emulator. Both methods allow you to seamlessly transfer your mobile progress and dive into epic battles from your desktop. The most straightforward and official method is using Google Play Games Beta. First, visit the official Google Play Games website and download the beta client. After installation, sign in with your Google account, then search for Clash of Clans within the client. Install the game, and once launched, simply log in with your Supercell ID to sync all your progress from your mobile device. This ensures a secure and optimized gaming experience. Another popular option involves using Android emulators, such as BlueStacks, LD Player, or GameLoop. Begin by downloading your chosen emulator from its official website and installing it on your computer. Once installed, open the emulator, complete the Google Play Store sign-in, and then search for Clash of Clans. Install the game and remember to log in with your Supercell ID to access your existing village in progress. To ensure the best experience, verify your computer meets the recommended system specifications, typically requiring at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor. Take advantage of customizable keyboard and mouse controls offered by both platforms for enhanced precision. Always ensure your game is linked to a Supercell ID to seamlessly transfer your progress between devices. Adjusting in-game graphics can also help maintain smooth performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.